Dear friends, in class 7, we are studying ninth lesson, rational numbers, and in rational numbers, we were studying operation on rational numbers. Next operation is division. Before going to division operation, we will have to study the reciprocals. So let us understand what does the reciprocal means. Reciprocal. If we are given a fraction 2 upon 7, and if numerator is written at the denominator and denominator is written at the numerator is written at the denominator and denominator is written at the numerator, we call it a reciprocal. So reciprocal of 2 upon 7 is reciprocal of 2 upon 7 of 2 upon 7 is 7 upon 2. Please note, we don't change the sign. We keep the sign as it is. So reciprocal of negative 2 upon 7 is negative 7 upon 2. Reciprocal of negative 3 upon 4 is negative 4 upon 3. So try to understand. We have written numerator at the denominator and numerator at the denominator and denominator at the numerator. We have kept the sign as it is. So reciprocal is, please note, reciprocal is we write numerator at the denominator and denominator at the numerator. Please note, the product of the number and its reciprocal is always 1. So product of the rational number and its reciprocal is always 1. Let us check. 2 upon 7 multiplied by 7 upon 2. 2 upon 7 multiplied by 7 upon 2. This is 7 2s are 14. We multiply numerator to the numerator and denominator to the denominator. So 2 7s are 14, 7 2s are 14. 14 upon 14 is nothing but 1. Please note, product of the number and its reciprocal is always 1. Let's see what happens with the negative rational numbers. If it is negative 2 upon 7 into negative 7 upon 2. Please note, negative into negative is positive. Then 2 into 7 is 14 and 7 upon 2 is again 14. Please note, again 14 upon 14 means 1. See the next, 3 upon 4 and negative 4 upon 3. So negative 3 upon 4 multiplied by negative 4 upon 3. We do the multiplication of numerator to the numerator and denominator to the denominator. So 3 4s are 12 and 4 3s are also 12. Please note, negative into negative becomes positive. 12 upon 12 is nothing but 1. So we have written the sentence, product of the rational number and its reciprocal is always 1. Next is division. Let us see 2 upon 7 divided by 3 upon 5. Now see, division of two rational numbers means if we divide a rational number by another non-zero rational number, we multiply a rational number by reciprocal of reciprocal of reciprocal of we multiply rational number by reciprocal of the other rational number. So to divide a rational number, if instead of if, we will write to. To divide a rational number by another non-zero rational number, we multiply a rational number by reciprocal of other rational number. What does this mean? Let us understand. 2 upon 7. To divide one rational number by another rational number is nothing but multiplication of a rational number, that is multiplication of the same rational number by the reciprocal of 3 upon 5 is 5 upon 3. So please note 2 upon 7 divided by 3 upon 5 is equal to 2 upon 7 multiplied by 5 upon 3. So this and this operation is one and the same. Multiplication is opposite of division. So we take the reciprocal of the second fraction. That this is equal to, now we know how to do the multiplication. 2 5s are 10 and 7 3s are 21. So answer is 10 upon 21. Dear friends, let us try to understand this. Negative 6 upon 3 divided by negative 2 upon 3. We have already studied. This is equal to negative 6 upon 3 multiplied by reciprocal of the other fraction is negative 3 upon 2. So negative into negative is positive. We do the multiplication. We know how to do the multiplication. Multiply numerator to the numerator, denominator to the denominator. So this becomes 6 3s are 18 upon 3 2s are 6. Please note, negative into negative is positive, so this is equal to 18 upon 6. Now, if you reduce this further, you will get 6 3s are 18 and 6 1s are 6. So this is equal to 3 itself. Now, next is multiplication. Please don't get confused with division and multiplication. This is multiplication. So, while multiplying, we multiply only numerator into numerator. So, this is equal to 7 2s are 14 with negative sign and 8 3s are 24. Please note, again, both of these numbers are reducible by 2. So, if you write in standard form, this is equal to minus 7 upon 12. Next fraction is negative 6 upon 7 multiplied by 5 upon 7. Please note, in addition and subtraction, we keep the denominator as it is. But in multiplication, we multiply the denominator. So, this is equal to negative 6 5s are 30 upon 7 7s are 49. If the same operation is done of division, so 2 upon 3 divided by negative 7 upon 8 will be equal to, please note, while doing division, we have to multiply by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So this is equal to 2 upon 3 multiplied by negative 8 upon 7. So answer is 8 2s are 16, negative sign, 7 3s are 21. And the next fraction we will take, I will take same fraction, 6 upon 7 divided by 5 upon 7. So we know to divide is to multiply by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So this is equal to negative 6 upon 7 multiplied by 7 upon 5. This is equal to 6 7s are 42, negative sign, 7 3s are 35. Please note, both of these numbers are reducible by 7. So you will get 7 6s are 42 and 7 5s are 35. So answer is negative 6 upon 5.